Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start the video.
Today I'm going to explain a tool which is used for part traversal. It is a Liffier. This tool is used to add manually ... It can automate this process of adding ... by incrementing the ... on the URL. Now we have to clone this tool from Git by using the git clone command. A file is there, Liffier. Let's check what is there in this folder. There is a Python file and a command. There is a Python file and a readmd file. Let's check what is there in the readmd file. Usage, how we can use this tool, and it is telling that Python 3 is required and a library request, and how we can install this library by using this command of pip. Let's check how we can use this tool. We are going to a lab of path traversal. Let's on our pub suite to intercept the request and refresh the page so that it can capture the request in the burp suite. There is a path product ID. Let's check this. Let's check that it is vulnerable or not. Enter the URL to test and the parameter without the value. Enter the payload without ... We can test for etc password. Number of tries we can give, for example 10. It will going to test and it is giving response that it is a 400 response, which refers that it is a bad request, and all the requests are giving 400, so that site is not, this URL is not vulnerable. Let's check for another that there is another URL or not. We can open our intercept, refresh the page, same URL which we have tested earlier. There's one more parameter, file name. We can test that also. Let's check it. Without value. Enter etc password. Number of tries we can give 10, and here we can see that pair of 2 ... is giving 400 response, and 3 pair is giving 200, and after that it is all response 200, which means it is vulnerable to 3 pair of ... Let's go to our lab, close the burp suite. Let's check that lab is solved or not. Refresh the page. Yeah, tool is working properly. So that's it, how we can use this tool to exploit the part traversal vulnerability in the web application. Thank you.
Subscribe for more related videos. Thanks for watching.